And it is time for our monthly Absolute Vehicle System talk. Sharlene, welcome back. You had a little bit of a day or two off, and then they put me in front of that chair.
Yeah, we had to put you in front of there. I think the camera loves you more than it loves me.
Absolutely no. But I don't think that is the truth. I think the camera loves both of us.
I think so, yeah.
Absolute Vehicle Systems. We discussed a lot of things from air conditioners, radios, speakers, alarms. But I think let us all recap again, Sharlene. What are you guys doing and selling?
We specialize in car audio, alarms, central locking, cruise control, park distance control, and navigation, as well as the aircoms, yes.
Awesome. And then I think the fact that you guys got, can I say, an extended knowledge and experience between all the staff members here.
Yeah, that's what makes Absolute Vehicle Systems so great. Is we've been in business for 28 years already. All of our installers has been here for that period, or a little bit shorter, but not by much.
So they all know they can install radios, central locking. As a matter of fact, one of the vehicles are busy now with central locking. Tell us a bit.
Yeah, it's a NP300 bakkie. It is actually a stock standard bakkie. It doesn't even have a radio in. So we are currently installing a radio and speakers as well as the aerial. And then for the security of the company, alarm and central locking.
Sharlene, is it only for Nissans? You can do literally all kind of vehicles?
We can do all types of vehicles. There are certain vehicles like your Volkswagens and your Kias which are a little bit tricky because some of them have vacuum central locking systems which we cannot fix. Can only be done by the dealer, because if you break the vacuum you have a lot of trouble.
Absolutely. Let's talk variety. If I look behind me, there is radios, speakers, amps, and al die snaakse goede, even specialized car radio wires.
Yes, that's true. We do not like to cut vehicle wires unless absolutely necessary, that there's no harness available for it. But we have harnesses for your Toyota, for your Nissan, for Volkswagen, everything. So you can choose your radio, we can do installation. Our navigation radios that we get is vehicle specific, so there it's basically plug and play.
We're talking about the QLED range in this area.
Yeah, the QLEDs for the Volkswagens, but you also get radios for your Toyota, your Nissan, Mercedes. We have ordered Mercedes radios before. So you come in, you bring your vehicle, we check, we inquire with the factory where we get our radios from. If they have a unit available, we give you the price. If you agree, we order it. It takes about 2 weeks and we can install your radio.
One thing that I can also stand up for Absolute Vehicle Systems, we know many times we buy this little Japan karretjies, and the radios they have is only for the Japanese market. Now all of a sudden you come to Namibia, there's only 3 frequencies and not one of them is working in Namibia. You got that stuff as well.
Yeah, and you want to listen to Cosmos and you cannot listen to Cosmos. It's frustrating. So with those vehicles, we have done many of them as well. You remove that radio and you replace it with a Namibian or an aftermarket radio, so you can have all your frequencies.
I think let's talk exactly where are you guys situated.
We are in 24 Edison Square in Edison Street, Southern Industrial Area, behind Namibia Lubricants.
As easy as that, and we're going to put a map out for you, or indication to find exactly where they are, and even the contact numbers. You see now I speak Afrikaans and Engels deur mekaar. But no, that's part of life. No?
That's part of our Namibian culture. We mix our tales, like I say.
You know, there's something that I almost forgot.
Yes.
This year, 2021, we are 31 years independent, and I know that you guys decided to spoil customers with very special prices.
With this specific Kenwood radio, we are having like an independent special. The price was 2,000. We brought it down to 1,300 Namibian dollars, as long as stock lasts. As
long as stock lasts. Please remember that. Don't come ahead of time or after the time you said, but I want it as long as stock lasts. Are there a limited stock? And I know that you said there's no way, but the big boss said, and I want to tell our viewers, the big boss said, if you come, there might be something special for you.
Yeah, we will do something.
Eventually she agreed, and she was so, no, we will not. Thank you, Sharlene. See, cameras make differences.
Cameras make differences. We have to make our customers feel special as well.
Well, I must say, I always feel special when I walk in here. Stay tuned. We're not going to stop here. There are some other brands also that will be very soon discussed.
Yes.
Rockford Fosgate, I think.
Rockford Fosgate, yeah.
The big boss.
The big boss, yeah.
I love that. So if you are in the serious car audio business and you want to have that extra big, proper,
sound, yeah.
Authentic sound,
quality sound.
Not that the other brands are lesser quality, but I know, but I know.
Rockford is just in a class of itself.
Absolutely. So don't go too far away. We will bring you very soon more on products from Absolute Vehicle Systems. Sharlene, thank you very much.
Thank you, Fransha.
I mean, at this price, it is so affordable. I gotta take 3. But
you can't take 3. We have to reserve some for the customers as well.
But I want to put it in my bicycle.
Your bicycle? The one without a lock?
Yes, okay. Bicycle zonder lock. There you have it. Francois from Multimedia Namibia and
Sharlene from Absolute Vehicle Systems.
Thank you very much. See you again.